Hello, traders. Welcome to episode 288 of TME Trade. Could be doing anything, but you're here, and for that, I'm quite grateful. Really appreciate you being here. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm just really frustrated going through a lot of crap with this stupid PC upgrade thing. Evidently, when you're trying to get into high-end CPU motherboards, it's all made and designed by the same idiots, and all the motherboards are the same, and they're all lemons. They're all really bad hit or miss gamble lotteries. I've just been reading more and more reviews, and the TR platform, which is the Threadripper. That's where you set the plates for the Threadripper for the motherboards. It was rushed to market, and various board designers had time to design but not test these new motherboards. As such, QC is terrible at getting good board, and getting a good board is a function of luck. So that's how I can really just sum up this process of thinking I was going to get a great PC or like a nice upgrade. It's just turned into it's hell. It's a nightmare. All right, so I spent like over $2,000 on replacement parts. Cause I'm going to return other ones, but dude, it's just been really, really stupid. All this stuff. Okay, ordering, waiting. Trial and error. Oh, it's a lemon. It's broken. Okay, let's try again. So now I'm on this secondary setup that I'm not comfortable with anyway. So Bitcoin. That's why I'm late. Clearly, and a little frustrated, frazzled. Okay. Descending riding wedge, most likely for Bitcoin. We broke out of the diamond. Talking to Larley today. I feel like we're in some sort of upsloping channel now. I mean, like. Well, he thought that, and so when I looked at it and plotted it again, that looks solid. So you are in clearly for now an uptrend until you break below 3,900. It seems like when we broke out of the diamond bullishly, we've now decided to consolidate at this line of resistance. This down segment, that's the top trend line of the descending riding wedge, and breaking out of this very large pattern would yield us possibly a measured move from the bull flag or the diamond. They're about the same measured move up to 4,200, but if we could break above this downswing resistance, teal trend line down here, it could be much more monumental of a move at some point, even with back test, whatever, sideways action for a while. Just consolidate. It doesn't matter. We get above it. Measured move of a descending broadening wedge, in this situation, would put us around 4,600. So that would kind of be the target for now. All right, shorter term. So let's see if we can break out, man. Bull flag looks more and more clear. You got that one wick. Okay, great. Who cares about the one wick? I think that was even on the weekend. Who cares, right? So we are poised potentially for maybe higher prices. That's all I can tell you. Altcoins around the market are exploding up. Like every hour, different ones going kind of wild. So that's it, man. That's it. Thanks again for being here. Take a look at chat. What's up, 1G Project, Shane Grant, Rick Schmitz. What's up, Bradford? P. Miller, man. What's up, Jurgen? What's up, Dave Jones? Did I say that already? Marcos. Jamie Catrona, Mr. Cantomo. What's up, Matteo, Brent Jaggers, Mr. Cool Daddy. Hello, Princess Riley. Am I going green screen now? I don't want to be green screen, dude. Like, I hate this. I freaking hate it, all right? It's not fun for me, all right? And for a lot of people, it's probably not fun for them either. So, what's up, APDP? I miss Am I going to miss the old setup? I miss it now, okay? I don't want to be in this situation, but I am. Thanks, Nate, for the sub on YouTube. What's up, Card for Crypto? And there goes my chat. Just literally disappears. I love it. Secret is never wear green. Yeah, I know, dude. Yeah, never wear green. Or plaid, evidently. Even plaid, even with not a green screen, looks weird for some reason. You getting worried, Rami? Why would you get worried? We're on a 4-hour time scale, and we're currently sitting at 58 on the RSI. What's the problem? Dude, you were overbought. How are you ever going to break critical levels of downslipping resistance when you were at 70 on the RSI plus? It's just not going to happen. It's not going to work out well for you because the move up is going to be not very well sustained. So it's good that we're doing this, taking our time, because that's giving us time for our RSI to reset so we can run up and get overbought again. Okay. Tron broke out already. It's been broken out. It just continues running, though. This is great. I think it broke the overhead resistance finally, though. So, Billboard Park, MK, yeah, we'll look at NASDAQ, man. Good to see you. Cliff Martin, Zed Zerps, what's up, dude? What's up, Lee Quick? MK, though, it's not like ideal for me. It's just, it's cleaner, I guess, but yeah, people are gonna like it or not like it, so. Dude, I can't deal with this YouTube chat thing. This like stupid pop out is so bad. See, I don't have restream. I don't have like anything. Yeah, we'll look at XLM. Sure. No problem, man. What's up, OB? Sahib. You want some V-Chain, Sahib? Sure, dude. V-Chain on the list. Look at it. What's up, Crypto Red Eye? Verkus Games. What's up, Loot Patient? Sorry, if I pause and saying anything to anybody, it's because my YouTube chat loves just freaking out and just like going to the bottom. I can't scroll up at all without it going back down within 10 seconds. So it's a really weird system. I don't get it. Captain Cooked, hello. Wobble My Jello. Curtis Mitchell. The shirt makes me look fat. That's good, man. Good. What's up, Rune Slayer? Herbert. I could stream in a cave, holding up an antenna. That's pretty much what I'm doing right now, the way I feel anyway. Has ADA been requested? No, it has not. 288, supposed to be memorable of a stream, but I don't know, man. Kind of just like whatever, dude. All this stuff. I mean, my T guy's over again tonight. He was here yesterday till like 2 a.m. or something stupid, 7 hours plus. And then we spent 4+ hours earlier this weekend, or on the weekend. So, my God, I don't think I've ever had this much frustration. I mean, this many issues with computers, man. I didn't know like there was an actual issue, like a problem with like an entire motherboard system for the Threadripper, the TR, the second generation Threadripper. Yeah, I need 9 monitors minimum, pretty much, dude. Dealing with 2 right now. Tony Balls? I'm okay, man. Hope you're doing well, though. Okay, anyway, so let's go to Ethereum. Go to Ethereum, check it out again. We put that on the day stream. We're not going to the dollar pair. Let's go to a more zoomed out view of the tether pair. Okay. Here you go, man. This was discussed and shown early in the stream, or early in the day, so I understand if you are like, oh, he showed this already. It's TA on significant time scales. It's not going to change that much from the day stream to the night stream. There's just not enough hours, or not enough time goes by. So Ethereum US dollar, we have clearly, as you see, broken a down slipping resistance. It was established way up January, mid to early January of 2018. Here we are, January 9th of 2019, and we're beginning to shift our momentum somewhat, okay? But, you know, December 15th was our 52-week lows, so we're not too far off those 52-week lows, okay? So, ooh, what's happening? Dang, man, see, that's the issue here. The issue kind of zoomed in. What do you see? What do you see, chat? I mean, people be like, is that an ascending triangle? Where's the reaction low? I don't see any other reaction low. There is not another reaction low. That's the issue. Okay, so we have some sort of resistance up here. Okay, 158.01. No, you can't break it. Can't break it. Doing that, double topping pretty much. We have pretty nasty levels of bearish divergence on the RSI. So could be expecting a move down soon. Yeah, getting that bearish divergence on the MACD as well. So your Class B bearish divergence on both oscillators. Okay, so maybe we could be expecting a move down again to at least 119, and if we're really unlucky, we could retrace all the way back down to 80 bucks to get a double bottom of some sort. So that's really what's going on with Ethereum. Okay, kind of stalling out on this nice little impulse up. But what do you expect, man? You went from $80 to $158. How can you be upset if we pull back right here? You're only upset if you're FOMOing in to Ethereum. It's the only people that are going to be mad right now. Okay, so you're trying to buy at a definite premium when this thing has just been marching on up since December 16th, 15th. Man, it's been moving up, doing well. All right. But just remember, if you're patient, one could possibly find a good entry after this plays out. This bearish divergence has not played out yet. We'll see if it can. And maybe we get an opportunity to go long for a much, much larger move to the upside. Okay, since we have broken out of the down-sloping equidistant channel. All right, that's it. There we go. What's up, Graham Moran coming in from Korea? You say Korea, so I'm assuming you mean North Korea, right, Graham? Here's lovely there. How's XRP looking? Well, we're about to go to right now. Digging this music though. It's making me feel better, somewhat anyway. All right, your zoomed in view, XRP, pretty simple, right? You got a symmetrical triangle. We pivoted off the bottom trend line of the triangle, and we're now running up, and we just, again, we just can't break 39 cents, that 382 retrace from a swing high from November 6th to the swing low December 15th, right? Just can't break it. Besides the news event, pushed us over the goal line to get us to our secondary target and the golden retrace before dumping, right? I think people were just bored on Christmas Eve, even whales. Okay, push this thing up. And but besides that, how many times won? I mean, a billion, right? Like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 times now we've failed on a 4-hour time scale to break above 39 cents. Very, very powerful sell wall up here. Someone's just offloading XRP. Every time this thing gets moved up, you just, okay, I think this is a fair price to sell XRP at. Okay. So anyway, neutral pattern. Hopefully the macro can pick up, like Bitcoin can break out of the descending broadening wedge. Hey, maybe Ripple will follow behind it. Normally, all altcoins will do that. Anyway, measure move to the upside could put you at 45.2 cents and move the downside 30.55 cents. Okay, that's about it, man. That's about it on Ripple. Okay, why is that about it? Because I don't know, man. We already traded this thing, and it worked out perfectly for us. Our entry was right around 29, 28 cents, something like that. And we bounced. We had the breakout. We had just broken out on the weekend, man. Came pulled back just a little bit, 28 cents, and then ran. And it was just perfect. You had the downslope channel. We broke out of it, shift in momentum, bullish divergence on the MACD RSI, not just on the 4-hour, but also the daily time scale. So we time hopped, and we saw more bullish coinciding variables. It was overwhelming. It was just like, couldn't believe it. And I was like, this is it, man. This is the one. We hit targets. Okay. Very, very soon after. Beautiful. Okay. So that's it, man. Sorry, just trying to do this. Are there any signs of TRX stopping? I'm surprised you're the first person to ask about it. It's been doing quite well. But I think someone said something, mentioned it earlier. Okay. Thanks, Aaron. It's not a new setup. It's just an alternative setup for a temporary amount of time. Okay, cool. Let's go to link. I updated it. It just didn't save, so I got to redo this. Okay, give me a sec, man. Diamond did not hit the measure move. It did break out bearishly of the diamond. But then I adjusted here and ran this up the new high. And then we we hit the top of the channel. And I don't know, you think it's bullish. We're in a bullish trend right now, I guess. Yeah, certainly are. Very bullish trend, but you're asking, to me, I see this as a lower high than our previous high, and we're probably going to see lower prices. You might think it's a bull pull, bull flag. Bull pull, bull flags, I don't know, man. Just the lower high here makes me think lower prices, not higher prices. We're in the look, and the thing is, if you're talking about trend trading, you're in the heart line of the upsloping channel. So you have just go flip a coin, go to Vegas and flip a coin and hope that Link runs the upside halfway through it, right in the middle of the trend, the uptrend. So I would wait way down here. I'd look for the 200 MA, right, 78.34. I think that's a better entry. But hey, what do I know? I mean, almost looks like an ascending, broadening wedge going on right here, some sort, right? Two diverging upsloping trend lines. Well, you know, it's look, I'm just talking about see if we can mess with it. It's almost just like this, man. Jeez, dude, really? That's what it looks like to me. Okay, can't do that crap. So it's like ascending broadening wedge, like 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 down here, and we're in the middle of it. We made a lower high. At least look for 87.59. I just think when you're trying to buy into uptrends in the middle of them, you're not giving yourself the optimum entry. You're actually trying to force this when you could just wait and see if you get a better entry. Just because it's an uptrend doesn't mean that you should buy in the middle of a trend. Okay, buying the heart line is not normally the most ideal situation. Okay, so that's just my opinion on it. Of course, people could see this as some impulse up and a bull flag, but I think we've retraced far too much at this point. Okay, and it was a lower high. This is a big deal. Lower highs are bad. Okay. Anyway, so that's Link. Yeah, bearish convergence, extreme bearish convergence. So there you go. We'll see what happens when we hit the when we probably will hit this bottom trend line of the ascending broadening wedge, right? Probably. Yeah, but holding off on the 50 MA for now. For now. Okay. That's Link. Jeez, man. There's a NASDAQ, man. NASDAQ fell out of a crazy velocity trend. It's been going on since 2016? Down, like 2012, sorry. This thing's been up, sloping, holy crap. And we fell out of it, you know. We fell out, ran back up, hit the heart line of this channel, and then sold off. And now it just seems like it's retracing, right? Nothing that special going on right now. It looks pretty bearish to me. I'll wait to adjust this now. Okay, we're gonna go from this major high, and let's go to the daily real quick. Yeah. We're going from that high to this low. Okay. Keep around the price. And we had a 382 and sold off. We reversed our price action, had a 382. Did not even touch the 20-day moving average. 150 or 200. Daily Death Cross was on Halloween. Okay, so look at this. Lower high, lower low.
The first one didn't work, but you need to bring back the backgrounds for the live stream. I would love to pay you a daily winning score. You can do it. If I were to pay for a subscription, I would love to have an investment in the...
There's Mitch Ray TA coin, but I don't know how it's an investment, because it's not like the more I show up, the higher the price goes. I don't, like, dude, I don't know. That's what you're talking about. Where you're talking about just things that are definitely no-nos, right? If you're not licensed. So thanks Anon for the 333 repeating, of course. I gotta pull up my. Oh, I've got it up. The first one didn't work, but I need to bring back the backgrounds for live. I don't understand. Bring them back. This is my second green screen I've ever done. And me tearing down the green screen would just give you a gray, boring wall. It'd be literally like just a blocked up blah, right? There's no office behind me. I'm in a different room of my house. So, different setup. Completely. What's up, Rahul? Dude, new update on Apple, of course, it's gonna be terrible. Oh, man. Sorry, just trying to read chat without it, like, literally screwing me. What's up, King Logan? Yep, man, 288. This feels like a normal stream, doesn't it? I mean, really, it's worse because of, oh, God, the situation sucks so bad. Like, if I'd have known, I don't even know, man. Like, you know. Oh my God, dude, really? How can I be in my house if I'm inside a chart? That's a good question. Maybe I live in a chart. Maybe I'm in a chart. Let's go to XLM. Well, we look at the US dollar pair. It looks like Ripple, but it broke out of the triangle. Let's go to BTC. Let's go to the 4-hour. So our entry on XLM was like down at 3,000 sats, and we've since continued. Like, I think we back tested, got that entry, and then we've since run. We broke above the. We're now above the 20, 50, and 200 MA. You keep price action up, anything like this, you'll eventually get a golden cross on the far. But we saw that textbook Adam and Eve double bottom, potential double bottom, because we have not yet breached the neckline extending all the way up to 33.94, right? The pinnacle that gives you the discernible different bottoms, two different bottoms. Okay, so look at this, man. And now I know you have technically a lower low here on this double bottom, but my God, is it not close enough to Class B bullish divergence? It is extremely higher levels of relative strength on that near same bottom. Okay, so you did have some bullish divergence in the short term here. Really triple MACD. You can't really. It's really tough to see, man. But maybe one day we'll get 4K. Okay, got to get fiber for that. Then I'd just have to literally move. Man, I can't buy any PC parts locally because, my God, I couldn't imagine trying to go into anywhere around here asking for an X399 motherboard for a Threadripper. Anyway, so like if you broke the neckline of this potential double bottom, a measure move of that pattern would put you at 37.93, which isn't that off at all. Why? Let's fib. God, what do you want, man? You sold off. You were at 47.18 sats November 20th, okay? And now you're at 3,000. Swing low to swing high. Oh, what is that? Oh my god! Wow, that's crazy, dude. I mean, that's literally insanity. Where a high to low at 50% literal retrace is right at the measured move of the double bottom. Wow. I can't make this up. That's crazy. There you go, man. Common retrace zone between 3579 and 4011 right here, man. Right here. So, target is 3795. All right. Now, you know, a target getting in at the bottom of the potential double bottom, moving a stop loss up a little bit when we hit 3390, if we hit 3390, would make a lot of sense, because that's kind of your first target, just in case the trade fails. You still make profit on the trade. Failed trade makes money. What? So. Yeah, Tron doing things, man. Tron doing things. Yeah, we're gonna go to Tron Connect. I know it's pumping right now, so good. It's cool. So if it's just zero, man. If we can ever get a good motherboard, zero, man. That's right. What's up, Brimlog, dude? Hey, screen, yeah, it's terrible, dude. You love Tip Wars, Brandon Washington, man? We went nuclear, so Tip Wars don't really happen because the nuclear powers don't let wars happen around the globe or whatever. I look like a legit.
I don't know that one.
Just unplug this piece of crap. Yeah, I look like a Twitch streamer, don't I? Yeah, man. So Eric Coffeen. Yeah, dude, the weather's ridiculous, man. Open the door today. It's just like, it's springtime. It's already. I don't understand. Okay. Doesn't even get cold anymore. What's up with the new setup to the moon? Really crappy stuff, okay. How much for a motherboard? For the one I spent like $450 roughly. Okay, so anyway, that's excellent. Who cares? Let's go to VeChain, doing things. Another trade setup. Oh my god. Alright, we looked at it earlier in the stream today, so if I'm being redundant, what do you want me to do about it, right? We broke out of the downtrend. Downtrend extends back to September 4th. It's anchor point 1, anchor point 2 is November 7th, anchor point 3 is September 12th. We broke out, so shifted our momentum, ran up a little bit, found some overhead resistance, and sold off, but then we had just started slowly down sloping, making lower lows while we slightly making higher lows relative strength, and then we just broke down one more time, hit that double bottom, and popped. We're looking for 127 short term, because we know if we hit 127, there is a chance that we could fail to break out and sell off again. But what we're hoping for is a major retrace. Make a lot of sense, man. We've just been getting killed since early September. What area did we bounce off of? Well, it just happened to be that lowest low of all time for this chart, August 14th. We would expect to see a common retrace. The first common retrace, 167 sats. You can see 187 if you're lucky, if Charles Dow, his powers come to be. And the golden retrace is going to put you at 207 sat range, okay? But we ran up and we have not even hit 127 yet. You should expect that at some point soon, okay? Otherwise, you're really scrubby, man. Okay. Is that a joint?
From adversity comes greatness. Think of how sweet the new setup will be once it's fine-tuned. Better than a handful of paper clips and a transistor like what computers used to be.
Certainly, Bill Battle, man. William Battles, man. Thanks for the 420 contribution. Really appreciate that. Good God, I saw my ticker. Tron Connect's up 19.39% right now. Holy crap. Yeah, dude, I know. It's just in the moment, the frustration of buying things so expensive, and then waiting for them, and then them getting here, and then in the anticipation of waiting for your IT guy to get here, you like spend a weekend working on it and nothing, and to no avail. It fails. You spent like 4.5 hours. You wasted your whole weekend, whole Saturday, with daylight working on it, and then like you order more parts and they come in, and then you get your IT guy over here, and then it doesn't work out, and it fails. You spend 7 hours. You miss the night stream. Working on it. And then my IT guy comes over again, and not to no avail. So ordering more parts, then having to return the old parts that are lemons. It's it's incessant. Okay, but anyway, thanks, dude. No, wait, sorry. Dun, 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 dun. You're local on the... Well, I don't know, man. I'm late for stream, so let's go back to Bitcoin, since we're like 11 minutes late anyway. 2 hours, 48 minutes left on the 4-hour candle. Not really moving much, right? Zoom in. It looks like we're kind of trying to break, but it would be a big adjustment here. There you go. Haven't really broke anything yet, right? So anchor point 1 and 2 now. We're disregarding the stupid wick. You can clearly see the downsloping resistance is being very well respected right now. So let's go, man. We got to get some volume. You are going to need some sort of volume to get you outside of this downsloping resistance, okay, man? Because it's strong, super strong. That's it, man. Descending Browning wedge target. If you can break out of the descending Browning wedge, the longer term target, more midterm target would be 4600, 4624 to be exact. That's from your from your high to low. The 1618 is confluent with that overhead resistance, the measured move of the pattern. All right. Oh my god. Contacts kill me now. Fix the green screen. Is it broken, dude? Could just turn off my camera. It'd probably make a lot easier on the eyes, right? Snowing in New York, raining in Texas. Here you go. How did you end up on the Fortnite channel, Jules, man? Yep, we're playing Fortnite. Breaker 19. I'm coming in with a airplane and some sort of machine gun or something. I don't know. What do Twitch streamers say? They say Kappa a lot, and they say poggers. So it's Tag Toner. Visiting the TA space. I'm just hanging out, Zatry, man. Just trying to not lose my freaking mind when it comes to logistics. I have merged into another dimension. Okay. Exposed it could, man. Very well could be a floating head. Yes. Might do that just to make a mockery of the green screen, which is not my thing. But I do like the shirt, man. It's very new. It's a very new shirt. You can't really, it doesn't even do justice, man, on the green screen. It is not the way it looks, dude, at all. Okay. TRX at 24% now. Awesome, dude. We'll just go to it. We'll skip. Yeah, whatever, man. We'll look at Bitcoin. We'll go. Let's go to Tron Connect, man. The treat of the day. I can't remember which chart it was. I think it was this one. That's it, man. All right, man. We busted out of the nice little methodical march. Busted out. Let's see if we can hit 3.9 cents, man. We're not too far off. Too far off the from the high to low, a 38.2% retrace. Let's get some confluence. Let's try to fib from the very high to low. Aha. So look, if you go from the highest high to the low, you've just breached the 236. All right, so not like we're facing any sort of opposition. The big thing I think you should take from this is this area we were discussing that was so powerful, the 236, from the way I had it fibbed, okay? The most major swing high. Why? Because we had all kinds of resistance clearly shown, and before the or during the day stream before this breakout, we talked about how critical this area was of resistance. If we could break that, man, it might be a really nice move up. All right, so should expect or should see the 3.9 cent range be hit at some point. Of 20% right now. Crazy, man. But this is testament to momentum shifting. Testament. That's why channels are real. Okay. Jules, what's something I said funny, man? Fortnite? I'm a Fortnite streamer. Oh, remote, thanks, man. Thanks. Has this song been playing the whole stream? I don't believe so. Just can't tell me. I do not believe so. Brandon, I don't know, man. I don't know, dude. I think. See, why would I be mad? Like, I love the way the market is shifting. You can clearly see the shift in momentum of the entire market. I love that. But dude, another motherboard. Look, man. I order parts. I spend an absorbent amount of money on those parts. My IT guy comes over. We have fun. He enjoys it because it's just a cool experience for him. We all have fun, and then he installs it. We do everything we need to do, and then I stream again from my setup. I don't have to go on a green screen or any of this stuff, and then we're good, right? But clearly, a motherboard would have made me extremely happy. Okay, there would have been no. I would not be, a little right now. Okay, because it's just been a painstaking process. Well, many hours, dude. Many hours. What happens when stream's over? I've had a gallon of coffee and it's 1 a.m. I just use the diaper that I have on or something, right? What motherboard did I buy? Well, I had an Asus X399, whatever it's called. I don't know, man. Hold on. It's just crazy, the reviews, dude. We started finding out the hard way that it literally has nothing to do with the brand of company that makes these motherboards. It's the same design, right? So it's like the 1080 Ti. There's a patent for the most superior type of GPU or superior type of motherboard, specifically the TR4 for the second gen Threadrippers, and they're just the X399s, and every single one of them are either trash or brilliant. They're either trash or they're good. They either don't work or they do, and there's a pretty high percentage chance you will get a terrible lemon if you buy one. It's just, that's what I learned. So, and my IT guy learned that too, David. So he's also my friend, okay? I don't want to keep saying my IT guy, but he kind of is. But he's also a friend before an IT guy. So whatever. Let that be known. It wasn't dead, dude. It's there's a problem with the connectivity between the CPU and the motherboard. No! What the? Holy, hold on. Just knocked over a light by moving this stupid carpet. Are you kidding me, man? Inferior setup. Hold on a sec. I don't want to move. I don't make any sudden moves. Anything I do, there's cords everywhere. It's like, if I make a sudden move, something's going to freak out and explode on me, okay? Oh, good God, man. Anyway. Let's go Tron Connect. Let's just watch it. We should just change the title of the stream to Tron Connect sub Tron Connect 5 trillion by 5 seconds. I would go viral, dude. Okay. Alright, yeah, pulling back a little bit, but extremely nice, man. Extremely nice with this beautiful little uptrend. We just kept on going, man. We just continued on up, dude.
Just take my 12.12.
12.12. Wait, why would she say 12.12? I guess it's like 12.12, I guess, but she didn't get it. 12.12. Are you kidding? I don't have soundboards. I don't have soundboards, dude. Holy.
Washington one tipped $450. Promise you will buy a motherboard.
Oh, wait, Washington. Yeah, ordered the motherboard. Remember, it didn't work. Wow. Be Washington, man. Dude, thanks to the $450, man. I can like pull up the one that I bought that is a lemon. Hold on. And I'll just show y'all in a second. Give me a sec. It's ridiculous, dude. Dude, be Washington. I don't even know what to say, man. I have no idea what to tell you, dude. What you just did, man. Thank you so freaking much, man. Really appreciate that. Okay. What is that, man? It smells like holy crap, dude. Okay. Let me type in Threadripper motherboard. It's not Lamball. Here we go, hold on. Right here, man. It's a lit, dude. It's a lit. Okay, so yeah, man. Super extreme, super duper extreme stuff, man. But again, they just didn't test it. They didn't test the product in B. Washington, man. I don't tell you, man. I freaking can't believe you, and I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, man, for that. Thanks, dude. Okay. Thanks, dude. Oh boy. Oh boy. Interesting. So, I'm gonna get a beer, I guess, right? One sec. Okay, yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna do this real. We're gonna keep a Tron Connect on the screen, I guess. I'll go collect my thoughts because B. Washington just freaked me out crazily. Hold on a sec. All right, sorry.
Making money on TRX. Thanks for the TA.
Cheers, brother, man. Congratulations on making Kang money. All right, man. But just know, this kind of little parabolic move here. We broke out. We had already had a tremendous run, and we're breaking out. Hey man, you would expect 3.9 cents. That's like the next real area of resistance. You can clearly see right here though, June 29th, 2018, we're using that as a resistance point too. Okay, so we'll see, but we can get up to 382. That's a first common retrace area. Overbought though, extremely overbought. We're sitting at 85 on the RSI, largest spike of positive momentum we've seen truly since June of 2018. June of 2018, what is that, right? No? Okay, June of 2018, this pump right here, last time we'd seen positive momentum like that, it's been a long time, okay? Many months. I don't sleep very well, Mark Potter, when I drink coffee. It's tough. It's very, very tough. So, Irwin coffee too, especially. I can't drink Ethiopian or I'm screwed. Okay, I learned that. Like something about Ethiopian coffee, the Irwin Ethiopian coffee just screws me, man. Thanks, Miss Cantoma, man. Appreciate that, dude. What just fell? Oh, okay, sorry, I'm like kind of behind. So stupid, man. So stupid. Dude, I literally just moved. Look, I'm telling you, I just moved my foot on this little rug thing, and the whole like castle came crashing down, dude. I didn't even do anything. I just accidentally, my foot right here on this spot. Don't put a lamp on my head, run log, okay, dude. I'm ahead of you, dude, okay, on the bottle of whatever opened, okay. Who knew you just had the lamp fall over on YouTube, man? Good. Chugging a beer for every green Tron candle on a 5-minute chart, King Logan. That would be really rough, dude. Okay, let's go to the 5-minute chart on, let's see how screwed we'd be if we played that game. We started 50 minutes ago. So that means we'd be drinking almost every 5 minutes, right? Chugging a beer, we'd be dead. We'd be like in the hospital probably at this point. That's the case, good. So, yeah, I could expect a pullback at some point. 60 minute, wow. Dude, very, very nice, dude. This is exactly what you're looking for bullish trends, man. This kind of price action or this kind of RSI action. Staying like that 56-60 area, staying consistently overbought. Man, that's very healthy looking stuff. Very good. You run, you run. A lot of these alts are doing the same. Well, not like Tron, but you know, they all have their different days in the sun, these S coins. Gosh dang, this chat. The chat box, I can't read without it just freaking out and going to the bottom. I guess I'm serious, man. I think that, I really think that YouTube doesn't care and doesn't think that people actually like reviewing what people say in their live chat. It's stupid. It's like, I'm not allowed to scroll up and read what you say without it just bringing me back to the bottom in 5 seconds. Asus extreme high quality is an oxymoron. Steer clear of them. Dude, it's not even about them, dude. They didn't even design the product, dude. It's literally every single company, Verkus Games, whether it's Asus, the Republic Gamers, or Gigabyte, or what's the other one? What are the other ones? There's only like 4 or 5 manufacturers. Dude. AS Rock. Okay. Yeah, the Gigabyte. MSI, which is dude, it's the worst one, man. You got so many bad reviews on that one, but the main problem with every single one is the POST, the posting, right? Getting the actual the launch of the actual CPU. It won't work, man, because they did such a terrible job manufacturing, creating the it's this stupid little latch thing for the Threadripper. It's like, you can't believe that there's a $1,300 piece of equipment or $1,900 piece of equipment, whatever one you get, that is held up by a $2 piece of crap that has a lever on it. Okay, man, that's like literally what they did. So, and it's at the whims of that. Be watching. Thanks so much, man, for all your support, dude. And next time you say something, good things will happen, okay? Yeah, my shirt's the reason why Tron Connect's pumping right now, right? Well, it's probably a better reason that, oh, they're actually doing something over at Tron Connect, right? Oh my god, are you kidding me? Barl's here. If I had a sound deck, I'd be hitting buttons right now. Barl Shama in the house. Big round of applause. Clapping. And all kinds of things. Okay, so thank you for making it back. We've missed you tremendously, and hopefully we'll be able to see you around more often. Okay, because I heard things about, you know, certain people saying inappropriate things, and I don't think it's a problem anymore. Okay, so you're good. Here, Litecoin gonna hit 50. Good short profit maker. Who knew? Hey, what's wrong with going long on Litecoin at the $27 range? What was wrong with that? But yeah, you know, $50.11 or something. It's like the measure move of the inverse head and shoulders on Litecoin. Might as well look at that too. So, excuse me. So true, Stoner, man. So we're just gonna like hang out and gaze in glory of the Tron Connect, right? King Logan, who we talking about? I don't know. TRX is making us kings, Mark Lane. It kind of, dude, kind of. Be careful what you buy on Amazon. You learn the hard way, a lot of products. Oh yeah, well yeah, man. It's unless I want to spend $900 on a brand new one, take my chances. As long as I can get the boot, I'm gonna be good now. Okay. What's February and March looking like? Okay, pulling back a decent amount now on Tron. Well, if Bitcoin can break that downslope resistance, we might have a very nice mid-January to February, and uncertain of months beyond that. Okay, so Satchery's got 2 bags of Ethiopian Irwin coffee coming. You ready to get destroyed, dude? You will get destroyed. Okay. And my chat keeps getting destroyed every time I try to just scroll down a little bit. Okay. Oh my god, dude. Hey, dude, it's true, King Logan. She's back for episode 288. The 88s are real, dude. I can't believe it, man. Can't believe it. Keep your eye on the prize, Vincent, man, for Litecoin and Bitcoin. I mean, look, you can look at the shorts and longs all day. They'll tell us some things sometimes. Just remember, keep your eye on the real charts and look for the divergence, right? Look for the reasons why we might break the upside or downside, right? Yeah, there you go. Vergascam says all the motherboards are made in the same factories, usually Foxconn. Yeah, well, they're all Fox scrubs, dude. Okay, just terrible. I should chug every time I talk about the PC. Mark Potter, man, there's a lot of adversity, okay, with the PC. Okay, it sucks. So Basic Hammer, come on, England. You told me to, yeah, I toned down the ginger. I didn't even notice, man, until I was like reviewing the comments, and so I'm like, good, dude, I look stupid. Okay, I looked stupid today. I mean, I looked orange, super orange. And there goes my chat again. Here we go. How are things, Zachary? How are they? What's up, Mike Lamb? Is it possible to simply access the channel? No, I think it's all the same. So if you were to pop out chat right now, Mike Lamb, and scroll up, and then start slowly scrolling down, eventually it'll just bring you to the bottom. Like you're just reading something, it then popped. It just pops. Okay. And it's not a big deal, but like if I'm streaming, I want to keep things fluid by continuing conversations with everyone, right? And then I have to like scroll back up. Where was I, right? Every time. And some people would say, screw chat, man. Just look at the bottom, look at the most live comments, and don't scroll up. Like, believe me, I've been pressured in the past to do that. Okay. Neo J Talks, yeah, Neo. Dude, B Washington's got me tripping right now. Okay, man, got me tripping, dude. There's no way this is sustainable. Yeah, probably not, man. Probably not. You're probably gonna need a nice pullback. You might even back test the trend line that is upsloping. 30 cents, dude. Okay, you can go down. You know, whatever. That's 0.5% of a cent. Okay. A back test could very well happen. But yeah, man, when you're sitting at 81 on the RSI and you're staying there, good possibility. It could not be sustainable. But dude, it's crypto. Like, you know, Fibonacci and all that, sometimes, man, like, okay, imagine me trying to stream during the Great FOMO. Dude, imagine that, dude. All the people that, like, don't know traditional charting would, like, be like, screw your fibs don't work, man. They're so stupid, man. And it's like, you know, in normal markets, not a 2-month period of stupidity, everything works fine, but sometimes euphoria takes over. So, I don't know, man, like, if the market wants to be rational, let it be rational. Okay. We knew where the bottoms were. We were looking at bullish divergence on both oscillators all over the place, okay? All over the market, man. They're all kind of following each other. They always kind of do, in a way. They're all just a little off on timing. Super orange like Donald Trump, John Legend? Yeah, I guess so, man. I guess so. Oh my god, dude. I shouldn't even have said orange, my bad. I shouldn't even have said anything. Okay, it's gonna get political now. I'm surprised Donald Trump isn't even in here yet. TTSing. Okay. Four more likes for fireworks. Hey, remember, if you're enjoying this live stream, if you understand or at least empathetic that I was a little frustrated or am a little frustrated with my PC stuff, the like button, that build that's up, whatever. What was the Great FOMO? Sorry, I am referring the Great FOMO of 2017. Yeah, it's like pretty much been dubbed here as that, the Great FOMO. Anyway, all right, Tron. I know we've been on it for a while. Oh, do we set up an alert? I'll set up an alert for everyone. I don't think we'll hit this beep, but if we do, we'll know and we'll come back and we'll start freaking out about it. Okay. Let's move on. Okay, man. Okay. Ooh, that dude. What's up with your charts, man? They all look the same because all crypto looks the same, man. You gonna get mad at me for profiling these S coins on a chart? Okay. A beautiful downsloping channel. We had, this equidistant channel. We broke out November 27th for real. We couldn't break it. We broke it. Ascending brightening wedge broke down, formed a triangle. It all ended with a triangle. Right around those December 10th highs, 2017, and that's where the uptrend has begun. All right, so, excuse me, God, sorry, I can't. What do I do? How do I not make noises when I burp sometimes when I'm streaming? Do I just mute the mic? I apologize. That's it. That's all I can do is apologize. So, from your discernible swing high. This is on the daily, we've already looked at it. The swing high July 18th to swing low. We have just cracked the 236 just like Tron, and we're trying to run to the 382, which is 1503 sats. Will we get there? I don't know. sitting at 76 on the RSI, so very overbought. Nice spike of positive momentum. No divergence, really. Not really, not yet. You just because you don't even have a swing high yet. So if we zoom in, we can see what's going on. Really, where this down sloping little resistance was cracked, and we have since broken, and we keep on running, man. Keep on running. Very, very nice. Okay, gotta be happy about these altcoins, man. They're all running so many different sequences, but yeah, you get it right. All right, let's go to the next one. Let me guess, it's doing well. Huh. Interesting. Let's look at this pair. Not bad. Okay, so let's just, since we're on 88 to BTC, let's go to NEO to BTC. All right, just so you can see the similarities, okay? Equidistant channel breakout, kept selling off. Then we had this downsloping channel and we broke out, right? Equidistant channel, right? Broke out, formed a downsloping channel, and have since broken out of that, okay? Continue to move up very far behind ADA and Tron. Okay, long way to go. Why do we know that, right? A daily, I mean, I know we have, look, your most previous daily discernible swing high, April 29th, to your lowest low, which was down December 8th. And, you know, what's going on up here? We're in the Shire right now, and this is Mordor, okay? The Eye of Sauron is the 618. Okay, this is Mordor. Anything above the 618 is inside of Mordor, getting towards Mountain Doom up here, and then literally you can destroy the ring. But a long way to go, man. 236 is 36.15, man. This isn't even the high from the beginning of the channel we broke out of, dude. Like, so it's really not that crazy.
How about XMR BTC? Interested in how you would set your channel? Early catch on divergence.
Hey, Black Plasma Man, thanks for 333 repeating, of course. Sorry, y'all. Different setup, dude, in here, okay? I don't have a mount. Oh, yeah, I do. But it's down there. It's not good. It's not eye level, so not good for me. So it just broke out, man. All right, not that great. Long way to go. It's crazy, man. If you don't know this about Lord of the Rings, the trip from the Shire to Mordor to Mount Doom was, I think, about 1350 miles, 1350 miles. So it was, unless I'm mistaken, it was from like Los Angeles to Dallas, maybe, right around there. So many miles, and that seems about we are in Los Angeles, and we've got to run to Dallas or walk there, whatever. Get it? So bullish divergence. Oh my God, color me surprised that we found bullish divergence, and we have since broken to the upside. Wow. Okay. US dollar pair on NEO has not broken out of its respected downsloping equidistant channel. It's at the very top and still failing. Okay. Interesting. I want to draw my channel. XMR. Already have it drawn, but haven't looked at it in a minute. How many people ask about this? Even though it's the #1 privacy coin that exists on the planet. Pivx fans are triggered right now. So move this. Adjust this just a little bit, okay? There we go. All right, so, oof. Huh. Dang, dude. So all I did was make, from this being the anchor point, I've now changed it to this one because we're including everything. I hit that anchor point, then we hit a resistance here. You can clearly see the validation, right? Hit as resistance and broke down, kind of double bottomed, higher low. See all these, man, you'd think they'd have the makings of some sort of bullish or bearish butterfly, And the bearish butterfly, unfortunately, man, the criteria, the bearish butterflies, X to A to B, which is not a 42% retrace like the Gartley, or excuse me, like the bearish cipher pattern. You normally want to retrace like 78% of the way and then have a higher low and then run up to at least 127 or 1272 to a 1618. Like that. That's normally the way they look. So we're not getting any of that at all. So these are not harmonics or potential harmonics. I wish they were, but they're just not. Anyway, it looks like some sort of double bottom, some kind of baby. Don't you call me Mini Mitch?
Does anyone feel like we need to increase the Mitch to chart ratio? What's up, Mini Mitch and fam?
What's up, man? What's up, dude? We're getting in here. Okay, here we go, man. We're looking right here. We're looking over here at the X in my chart, dude. We're gonna be kings, dude. Gonna be kings. I don't know, dude. Like, I've never done green screen before. Oh, not since today. Isn't the cup right here? Are you kidding me, dude? That's pretty cool, man. Hold on. Sorry, what? Why I'm not able to... Oh, okay, I see. Whoa. Whoa, dude. What the... What's going on right now? Dude, that Boy, thanks so much for being here, and thanks so much for the $20 contribution, man. It's been a rough night, man. Okay, I've been dealing with some things, okay? This is bigger me. Does anyone even want the bigger me? Bigger me, man. Oh my god, dude. What's the weather look like? Yeah, exactly. What's the weather look like? So, thanks, dude. Thanks, man. Just drinking my sorrows away with this. I can't get my PC fixed. If you're just tuning in, Batman Boy, it can't. It's like lemons everywhere. Lemons across the motherboard. TR4 Gen motherboards. It's a joke. X39's killing it. It's much funnier. That's what we do know, right, man? It's much funnier.
Monster Mitch is better than Mini Mitch.
Thanks, dude, for the Monster Mitch contribution, dude. Kangs, dude. Kangs. Thanks, dude. I appreciate it. Hey, if you don't mind me asking, how's Judge Allison Nathan doing? We haven't heard from her in a while. I can't pull her picture up at will. I have a Stream Deck hotkey for Judge Allison Nathan, or her photo. She's beautiful. But how is she doing? How is she doing, man? Okay, because a lot of things going on. Down with Elon. Hashtag. Okay, thanks, dude. Thanks. Holy crap, man. So anyway, Monero, yeah, kind of breaking out a little bit, right? You get double bottom. It's kind of like just a higher low, right? Excuse me, I'm serious. I don't know how to help but burp. I think we can clearly see a symmetrical triangle here, right? Symmetrical triangles work out pretty well, don't they? Look, measure move of this pattern, bearish breakout, boom, hit it at the 12,500 sat area. All right. Here it is, man. There's your sim triangle, your inherently neutral pattern towards the top of it, oscillator wise. Ooh, not hot at all. Not hot at all, man. Come on, dude. Oh, look at Tron Connect and ADA and Vet and all these others, and then you got Monero, supposed to be like the hottest privacy coin ever, dude. And you got like this extreme bearish convergence, man. Just extreme levels of it, dude. Stupid. What?
I'm pissed. My boyfriend is busier with his live stream than some post-movie action. Eggplant.
Post-movie action. It feels so good. So if you don't know, Judge Outs and Nathan, I can't do sound effects. I have to literally make them myself, and I'm not very good at them at all. So I don't know if the evening progresses on. I'll be a little bit, I guess my inhibitions will be lower. I'll be more inclined to do stupid things, and like I just did to Godzilla. So Dudette. Judge, Your Honor, thanks so much for the $25 contribution. I understand though. I understand. You're just too beautiful. Okay, I can't believe he would do that to you. I can't believe it. Right. So, sweet. I don't know though, man. Like, you know, the one up, the high to low doesn't count to high. I guess you could consider it valid for now. So, if you do have this kind of convergence, there is the likelihood, possibility that we could break down and get an area of opportunity down at 12,566 sats. Okay, there's a possibility. Like impulse down, bearish engulfing candle below the 20 and 50 MA, but hey, just had a golden cross. Golden cross. This is a lagging indicator, right? This big move up is what pretty much gave us the power to make us get that golden cross January 7th, which was 2 days ago. So I don't know, it seems like we could get a better entry on this breakout of the channel, but we know from a high to low, we ran up and hit the 382. Once we hit that first common retrace fib node, we reverse our price action, and now we're contracting on the price action. The new amount, it's a new pattern, right? So measure move, these patterns, man, pretty large, man. Measure move up, 24.56, round to 56. $15,804. Really, it's not that great, is it? But whatever, man. Okay, this is like your major high to low. Okay. People could argue this too, but dude, you can see all these swing highs. They're pretty discernible swing highs. Okay, we could fib from here or up here to get confluence. Let's think short term, okay? But dude, we have been bearish. Dude. We have been stuck in the mud since March. Monero has just been a very, very poor performer with very little rallies. Okay, so I hope that helps with the analysis on Monero. Okay, so we just had to make an adjustment. Okay, made an adjustment here. That's it. Oh God, I missed so much chat. I'm sorry. My bad. My contacts are killing me, dude. Give me an audio check too, chat, if you could. I'd appreciate it. J-Tog, sorry behind. Hopefully that you enjoyed that Neo analysis. I'm trying to see even where I was at. Did I read the news about the U.S. is not recognizing Venezuela's crypto national currency? What?
Good evening, Crypto Kai VRS. I live TA with Matre from the Nutella Studios in Greenbow, Alabama. Jalen Hurts to Oklahoma. Here are some twos. Dude,
if that happened, I wouldn't even be mad, man. Because guess what? I got no ill will for Oklahoma, and I wish Jalen Hurts the best. He deserves all good karma. Okay, and better Oklahoma than freaking Auburn, dude. Okay, and that's a great place, dude. Think about it. Going to the Big 12 in his situation is probably the absolute smartest move, just because it's all offense, right? It's very offense-oriented football there. So like. That's how you move your stats up. That's how you get plenty of throws and runs. porous defenses, stats up, and then you get to show tape, right? You're not sitting out, and you have a chance of winning your conference championship at Oklahoma because it's a storied program with good recruits already set up. Dude, it's like a ready-made program for him to flourish. So I don't know, anywhere but Auburn, and I'll be happy. Anywhere, dude, anywhere. Thanks. John Lennon, dude, for the 15, 8, 9. Thanks, dude. Whew. Yeah, lots of good people here tonight. Absolutely, I agree. Of course, I was bewildered, Barl. Yes, I thought you were out of here. I thought you were gone forever, and it did suck. Look, okay, you were in that group where, like with Logan and Seth and Jeff and Julia and Zachary and Zero, many people, too many names to list, okay, where it's just like, it will hurt, it will suck, because like you get attached to people as a streamer, you get attached to seeing and talking and engaging with people every day, and then when people go away and they never come back, it's just like, whoa, that really sucks, right? That really sucks. I've dealt with it before, so it makes you as a streamer have to close yourself off a little bit emotionally because of that. It sucks. So I don't like doing it, I don't want to do it, but I learned that's part and parcel of it. So I get it, yeah, people get busy or they lose interest or something, right? Dude, I'm so behind on chat, my bad. Do a chart like a weatherman, Randy Schulz, man. Shoot, don't get me started, man. My shirt makes you feel like you're on acid, King Logan. I know you said that like 10 minutes ago, dude, but still, I'm just trying to get through it all, okay? What happened to HOC? What happened to him? Hey, man, go look them up, dude. I'm sure they're flourishing. I don't know. I don't know what happened to them. They're probably doing fine. Supersize always better. Yeah, there you go. You notice my German roots? Very good. Good. 1980s music TA vid. What? Jules is still dying. Why are you dying, dude? Why don't you be living, dude? I just brought up some Ebonics, man. Why don't you be living? Dang, dude. Why are you not living? Excuse me. How small can I get? Okay, yeah. Also, hey, make it, man. Hey, make it. Hold on. Okay. So here we are, man. Here we are. I feel like Mike TV from Willy Wonka. Hey, Mom, I'm on TV. I'm inside the triangle right now. Dude, this is nuts, man. Sorry. I've just never in my life done this, and this is weird, okay? I feel like your standard scrub streamer, okay? From afar. So Loco is free to answer your question. That's how small I can get, okay? I busted a move on the wedges. Dude, Pearl, I just read your mind because I had not read that till now. Brandon Washington is asking about fish sticks. Brandon Washington, can I ask you a pivotal question? Judge Allison Nathan, I asked her and she said yes, but do you like fish sticks? Brandon Washington, fish sticks, you know, the food, the frozen food fish sticks in your mouth. Let us know things, which you need to know. It's not really, it's kind of a big deal, but tells a lot about a person if they like fish sticks in their mouth. Okay. What do I think about the 1%? What are you talking about, Brandon Washington, dude? Jeez, dude, I'm trying to... Can't we see TRX, Jesse? See, we already looked at Tron Connect. Tron Connect was up 20%, 24%, right? Vincent, depending on the oscillators and indicators, it would seem like Bitcoin would be making a break to the upside. But remember, the trend's bearish still. but it's a descending broadening wedge, and we're at the top of the trend line with a bull pull bull flag. So it seems like a break of the upside could make a lot of sense. Trying to manage all this, okay, y'all? Please understand. Freaking out right now. So we open a tab on YouTube, pull up video clips with sound effects, and voila. Yeah, dude, but you know, I've got so many, and I'd have to pull up so many tabs, and it's just timing's everything on the sound clips, okay? Oh my god. Anyway, so what time is it? Oh, hey, it's midnight. Gosh dang it, hold on. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, dude. It seems like Judge Alice and Nathan needed a little attention, so Bet Moon Boy said BRB. Hold on. Wait, Litecoin, you to rank in number 3 in market. What are you talking about, Vincent? Man, that sentence, I don't know if it even was real, a real sentence, English-wise. Yeah, we missed city discounts, dude. We did.
I cannot stand fish sticks. I would rather have a chicken tender that was sitting under a heat lamp for 4 hours. About the Wonder Twins, they are said to have bought 1% of the total Bitcoin and have that in their portfolio.
Are you talking about the Bogdanovs or the Hodge twins? Because I don't think the Hodge twins bought 1% of Bitcoin. But hey, you're probably not talking about them. But they are kind of funny. So, be watching. Who are they, dude? Who are they? Thanks for 333, dude. Repeating, of course. Thanks, dude. From they're not doing anything. Oh, are they not? Huh. Interesting. I know why you went MI. Don't frame it like that. Well, it's not. I'm not framing it, Pearl. But I'm just telling you from my perspective how I have to like. I don't know. I have to like literally kind of try in a way to like not get attached because of the way the world works. I guess as a streamer, right? So I don't know. Why is everyone laughing? What happened at 5 minutes ago? What happened, dude? I don't even know. Oh, okay. No, it was the mini-me thing. Okay. Oh my god, dude. Holy crap. Sorry. Dude, we've looked at a lot of crap, dude, tonight. Jeez. I guess we could go to XLM to USD this time because it was BTC pair. Okay, so downslope channel, we broke out, and you would say, hey, is that a bearish cipher pattern, dude? I don't think so because we didn't retrace 80%, 78% of the way, only 65% of the way. Broke down, but hey, nice target hit. Targets from the low to high were hit. But either way, man, this is what's going on, man. Okay, I think one of our patrons got in on this. Who was it, man? Oh, it was Phil Centura. He's deep in on this. He's doing well, doing very well. He bought at the bottom of the triangle like a Kang, and this thing, look what happened. Look, dude, it's like textbook what's happening right now on XLM US dollar. We broke out. We then back tested with a beautiful little spinning top. We didn't get the break and go on the 4 hour, right? You do candlestick math, you technically did. You added this candle and this candle together. That is a bullish and golden candle, but whatever. Some people would argue against that, but somehow we gapped up. Did Bitfinex go down or something? I don't know. That's a gap up. So we're currently running to the upside, making higher highs. Very little volume, no positive momentum, just began to create some. Very good on the RSI at 66. expecting at least 13.8 cents before pulling back, but a measured move, coincidentally, of this pattern, widest areas of the triangle from the breakout, would put you at 13.8 cents. That is the trade. So Phil Centura, being the king he is, would say, hey man, I'm probably going to just move a stop loss up reasonably, or at least just exit. Okay. But the thing to take from this is that might not be the end for XLM. It might not. Okay, from the high to low, we know the 236 is your most shallow retrace. It is. We hit it once. We are running to see if we can hit it again. But we know common retrace zone is right here between 16.68 cents and 21.2 cents. So we could go much higher, assuming the market wants to hold up and not be very volatile and brutal. Okay. Just remember this, okay, about the crypto market. If Bitcoin wants to pull the rug out bearishly, all this stuff's going to start coming tumbling down. Okay, you wouldn't think so. The way Bitcoin seems so poised to maybe break the upside, but dude, anything's possible. Nothing's for certain. Okay, so that's why being humble in this market is so important, because, dude, like technical indicators are good. It gives us a great advantage, but market can definitely sell off when we think it might break out to the upside, because we have not yet broken out on Bitcoin. We have not. Okay. Only in the small pattern, the diamond, not on the large descending running wedge that's been forming since November 7th, I believe. Something stupid. Okay. It's crazy, man. I'll have to check that again. I can't remember what Bitcoin's. What was it, man? I feel like I'm about to sneeze. If I don't know right now, I'm gonna. It's like a sneeze that you can't sneeze. Okay. No. Okay. Sorry. November 21st, not the 7th. 7th is when we started dumping. Right. That was the swing high. Sorry, that November 7th date was getting me, dude. So anyway, bull flag. That's what I'm talking about. Like, I think we got the bull flag, and then y'all were asking about the oscillators, indicators. Indicator, dude, I just feel like you're literally resetting the oscillator so you can get overbought again and break out. That would be wonderful. Look, 1, 2, 3, right? Third time's a charm. The rule of 3, all over the market, all the time. Okay. Dude, it's Jack off my face. Are you kidding me? Dude, is that y'all saying? Dude, is that like Nike, just do it? I'll be Goff on face. My God, dude.
You be humble, I'll be Goff in face.
Goff on face? Should I be humble about that, or should I be obtuse and cocky about that? I mean, in terms of, should I get another? Dude, it is episode 288 for King Logan. And it's not really King Logan, it's the universe, right? King Logan, could you please illuminate chat again? Because I know we've done this once, but with this only once, right? 600 plus live streams, you've only educated chat on the 8s. Show them again, please, in honor. I think literally the last time you did it was episode 188, okay? So do it again, man, and I'll recite it to the public or something. Okay. Jack Goff on face, man. Did you know that Moonboy's here? Judge Allison Nathan's here. Jack Goff on face is here. There are many, many people in the chat tonight. I'm just surprised Count Chocula, well, you know, he was probably defeated. I think he was run out of business by the ADA, American Dental Association, aka Cardano, because they're making nice moves to the upside. So thanks, Jack Goff on face, $25, man. Hit my soundboard. Dude, I feel so naked, dude. I can't. My stream deck, I'm always like this on my stream deck, and it's just not here. It's not here right now, and I feel weird. Okay. Whew. Good God. Rick Schmidt says Bitcoin is showing an ascending triangle. What? Ascending triangle? How can it be an ascending triangle when we're making lower highs every single time? And if you zoom in, yes, if you zoom in, where is, I just don't see it, man. I don't have lower high, lower high, lower high. Consistent lower highs. Where's the ascending triangle? Rick Schmidt's, man. Rick Schmidt says he loves fish sticks. who's hitting the summer tour this year. Is it called Fish Dicks Summer Tour of 2019? Because that would be. Oh my god, dude! Is Kang looking ready? Is he ready though? I don't think he's ready, dude, for 288, man. All right, that means I'm screwed. Hold on.
How could we have a Logan party without an insane amount of liquor?
Hold on. You gotta bear with me. Give me 2 seconds, okay? Because I'm not in my room. I'm in my third office or something. Hold on a sec. All right, dude. Thanks for the 25, man. But now I am in debt. I owe. So be right back. 2 seconds.
Loving the mini Mitch fade out.
It's true. It's good, right? But it's like, dude, I have gotten so... I don't think I've ever had this many mixed emotions about the green screen in my life, dude, okay? So it's like, thanks, Drink Troll, for the 25. And let me pay my debts real quick. And then we'll get back into the conversation of it, man. Hold on. Wait, it's like that, yeah. This is part of my shirt, by the way. Oh, yeah. You should get your own rolling GIF, Drink Troll, man. Walk around LA with your own little nameplate. Scrolling nameplate. But, yeah, man, it's cool. Like, I get to do things like that. I didn't even think about it. Getting to that. And, you know, something like, next time you could tip, and it'll be like this, and I'll be like Jonah Hill, dude. I'll be like Jonah Hill, dude. Okay, so... this is just fantastic, man. Fantastic. The green screen. I don't know. It's kind of growing on me a little bit because I get to do really stupid stuff with the chart. But then it makes me less interpersonal, I guess, right? With it. So that's one sip. Let me get another sip. Okay, the sips are down. Now, what were we talking about with Kang Logan and hard liquor? Because I don't know, Kayla.
Tip war. Almost to buying a new motherboard.
Anon, thanks for the 333. Oh yeah, Dream Troll. Did you know that Brandon Washington tipped $450 tonight, and he has said on multiple occasions he loves tip wars. And we were trying to discuss and explain to him how the tip war became nuclear, and there's a nuclear power, and tip wars can't exist anymore because, hey, there's nuclear power that runs the game. It's kind of like real world now. It's like, hey, the world is nuclear now. We can't just go to war and infringe on other people's countries, right? So, yeah, man. But thanks, Anon, for the 333. And B. Washington, thanks so much, man, earlier in the stream for the big 450, dude. I can't even, dude. I can't even. That big Bitcoin in the jar, man. Holy crap. It's been lit so far, y'all. This is just, I don't know. Y'all are like the light of my life, dude. Trying to deal with the crap we've been dealing with the CPU motherboard thing has been hell on earth. So thanks so much for just making my night better, because I don't know, man. Sometimes you got it, sometimes you don't. Okay, the market recovering has helped too, I guess, right? So James Glenn is inside the triangle, man. It's okay, dude. Been there before. Sorry, let me get this chat. I think I've missed too much. Okay, at this point. Thanks so much for the certain amount of people in here I don't even know. Okay, probably like some random number. Okay. That's okay. Hold on. No, it's in front of me. Dude, he's doing this for like 20 seconds, dude.
Do I lose a tip war if I'm not there to participate?
Yes, you definitely lose, because it's like you're number one, right? So you always have the target on your back. You're kind of like Alabama in college football, right? Like the target will always be on your back. Everyone will play their A game against you. The only way that they don't is when you destroy them, right? It's like, and Alabama was destroyed. I have not seen Alabama lose like that in 10 years. 10 years they have not lost like that. So thanks so much, Drink Troll, for the 25. Drink. And I'm pretty sure you're making King Logan needs to be participating. The only issue is I don't have Discord here on this PC. I don't have Discord. Dude, this was so last minute. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to like spend time here like I spend on my other PC. Okay. My IT guy said he's working on trying to literally. He might have to buy a piece of equipment, or I might have to buy a piece of equipment to mimic it.
I see you. But just because I paid out my tip with tips, you are my jock.
Who paid your tip with tips? Hold on. Let me reread that. Because now I'm confused, B. Washington, man. Hold on. You see me. Are you Sauron? Because I know Sauron does say, that's one of his signature sayings, B. Washington. He sees you. What? Just because I paid out my tips with tips, you on my jock? Hold on. Let me look at Urban Dictionary what jock means. Give me a sec. Urban Dictionary. I'm sorry, dude. This is all kind of new to me. Yeah, on my jock, Urban Dictionary. All right, so when a beezy gives you a lot of attention or won't leave you alone, it can be positive or negative way. Never one tip out, beep beep. Oh my god.
Where art thou, Brandon Washington? Show thyself.
Hold on, let's we must out, dude. I'm sorry. Number one tip bot. I'm trying to determine what on my jock means. It seems like, dang man, this bee is on my jock. She wants it positive. S, this is dumb beezy is on my. What is beezy? Is on my jock. She won't leave me alone. Negative. So it could be negative or positive. I'm not very certain. Eggplant. Oh god.
Have to join the Eggplant King Logan. Drinking milk Nutella with Chiclia and prune juice.
What?
Adding Vegamite.
Dude, Vegamite. I'm sorry, there's no Vegamite. There you are. Where are my sound clips, man? I can't get my sound clips, man. I'm losing my mind.
Number one tip bot tipped $500. There you are.
Monkey ass poggers. Feels good, man. Oh, the things in the world. That escalated quickly. B. Washington. Number one tip bot. I freaking love y'all. I can't believe this. I can't even, dude. To be determined, I might be here or I might be there. But dude, B. Washington, which one are you? Was the on my jock? Hold on.
To be determined. I might be here or I might be there.
Wait, B. Washington. So you're not gonna tell me if on my jock was a positive or a negative, dude? Look, we're literally looking. We're looking at on my jock, and I'm just having issues here understanding things. The Nutella Studios producers, they are not giving me any help either. They don't know anything. No, you don't know anything about the on my jock. Dude, B. Washington, thanks for $25, man. Thanks, man. And thanks so much, number one tip bot. Holy crap, dude. Whew. My God, man, I don't even know what to say anymore. I'm just stuck on Beezy's. What is a bee? Hold on. Here, I'm gonna illuminate everybody. Here's a Beezy. It came from the infamous rapper Mac Dre from Vallejo, California. It means a bee formerly used for women. Hey, so it's a non-curse word way to be misogynistic or to be, you're saying it in a nicer. Oh my God! Urban Dictionary's definition. It's like saying the word "be," but saying it in a nicer way. Is this real life, dude? Is this really happening? B. Washington's opened up so many. With this question, he's arisen a copious amount of new questions. Okay. But hey, at least we're learning things, chat. If we're not learning TA, we're learning something else, okay, man? And you will now know more things about things, okay? And that's what it's all about. Thanks, B. Washington, man. And also, number one tip bot, man. Jojo the Nathan, man. Oh my God. Jack off on face. Vet Moon Boy. And others. It's part of what do they call it? The Legion of Doom, but the inverse of that. The Avengers. But we know the Avengers scrubs because Thanos destroyed all of them. And here, I'm sorry, in this culture, Thanos did nothing wrong. I'm sorry. Come on. Does anyone want to back me up on that? Thanos did nothing wrong. Why is my chat so behind? Probably my fault. I'm dancing above the golden retrace. Reminded. Fake green screen, man. Rick Schmitz at 13 minutes ago, he said the RSI was like great, man. This is wonderful. Resetting. Oh my God, dude. I hate this. I hate how I've missed so much chat, dude. Fill the gap with myself, Zatchery. Oh yeah, man. Feels so good. Green screen Wednesdays. Maybe we should just do that, dude. Okay. That means I'm going to have to get another Threadripper Kappa. Alright, I actually literally have one on the way. It'll be here tomorrow. Should I just keep it, y'all? Whatever. Okay, so Pearl actually likes the green screen. She says it's really fun. Better chart view. It's true. There's more chart, but there's no chat. So the problem is for the Twitch people, so like right now I'm not streaming on Twitch, but there's no communion between Twitch and YouTube. So where someone is on Twitch, they can type from their phones or their tablets and see their chat with y'all. It's weird, man. It's weird. Oh yeah, Litecoin. Let's go to Litecoin. We have not done that, man. I could have sworn we were. I think it was just earlier in the day. Not DD. Yeah, continue to sell off a little bit. Let's hope we hold this heart line as support as we've done before. Hold it. Maybe we'll get a bounce, okay? But Look, man, it's just inverse head and shoulders. We've broken out, give confirmation to this inverse head and shoulders by breaking the neckline. We back tested and we've run up again. But I think it could be a slow, methodical march. Or if we break back down to 37.19, you better be looking out for some sort of head and shoulders pattern. We're going to keep our eye on it every day, man, because it very well could turn into that. And then we could break down and so let's hope not, man, after such a well-developed pattern, excuse me. November 20th, man, is when it all kind of began for this pattern. Our entry was down here, okay, $27 range. Okay, there was a zone of entry. It was like a optimum buy-in zone. We had from the low to high, we had a 62% retrace, the golden retrace, and then we bounced, and we did not see those levels again. Beautiful, Vincent, man. There you go, dude. And there goes my chat. Anytime I scroll down a little bit, it takes me to the bottom. All right. Litecoin's showing volatility as we speak, Randy Schulz. Is it? Is it that? We're looking for a $50 measure move, but a target that we could reverse our price action on could be $43. Okay, just remember that. You don't want to be on another man's jock. You want to be on a lady's jock or something. Gosh. Here we go.
No liquor, that's fine. 9 is better than 8 anyway.
Logan troll. Get wrecked. I think King Logan's. I've never seen King Logan scared though. It truly can't be him being nervous about some sort of drink off with the drink troll, because didn't King Logan win? King Logan literally won last time, right? The last real face-off y'all had, drink troll and King Logan, he won, right? It's kind of interesting, man. It was like, no one expected. That was back when I was trying to stream a football game, remember? And my CPU was at like 98%, and I was like, I couldn't even move. And that's when I started thinking about the Threadripper for the first time in my life. Fireworks, Billy Man. Remember, I'm not on my PC is out of commission. My 1080 Ti, my second 1080 Ti came in. We installed it. It's there. It is out of commission, man. It's the most expensive piece of non-used hardware down there. Okay, just sitting there doing nothing. Okay. Red X says he's glad I hate the green screen. I don't know, man. The more I'm getting like feedback, and the more fun it is to just move around anywhere I want, dude. Hey, man, God, I'm up here, man. I'm flying around, dude. I'm at the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders right now. Do you understand? Here I am, man. I am. Look, it's a diamond pattern. It's a diamond pattern.
Why is 6 afraid of 7? Because 7, 8, 9.
Dude, I can't. I don't have sound clips, B. Washington, so I can't hit these buttons, and I just can't make it even more fun. I'll just be like, bazinga! Okay, like Sheldon on the show, man. Okay. Why was 6 over 7? Because 7, 8, 9, right? Because it's like a larger number. Count Chocula, that's like actually Count Chocula's favorite freaking number, if you didn't know, or his favorite joke. We met up at the dentistry convention. What? Such a weird. My setup is just different. Okay, man. Second guessing myself right now. Whew. Thanks, B. Washington, man, for the fantastic jokes, and again, Count Chocula's favorite, right? Wait, why would it be Count Chocula's? No, I'm sorry. No, it's the Count, not Count Chocula. It's the Count from Eureka's Castle. The Count. 1, 2, 3. It's his favorite joke, not Count Chocula. Different vampires, different universes, and scratch Count Chocula. Thanks. 5G will finish what Thanos started. Jones, yeah, man. Seriously.
In numerology, Number 9 is the symbol of wisdom and initiation. Number 9 is highly emotional and spiritual. Numerology 9 holds the path towards mystical knowledge.
Yeah, you hear that, Logan Troll? Numerology is about to give it to you, dude. About to give it to all your 8s. And evidently, 7's stronger than 8 too, because 7, 8, 9. Okay, so it's understandable, King Logan, man, why you'd be feeling a little nervous right now. Because the 8s are getting... the 8s are under fire right now. Okay, man. This is nuts, man. I think this alcohol's affecting me a little bit. Okay, it's getting me. Okay, my inhibitions are... Whew. Holy crap, dude. And there. Oh my god, man. This chat. I need Restream ASAP. Restream will forsake me every like 30 minutes, but YouTube chat box, the pop out, forsakes me every 15 seconds. Okay, anytime I scroll down, I'm screwed. Wait, Mike Lamb says Thanos is wrong. To override other people's rights with your right is wrong. We're getting political here, man. Oh my god. Oh, Side Girl's here. Side Girl, I'm sorry, but I do not have fireworks. No liqueur to fight the drink troll. King Logan, are you serious, man? What? But dude, you live in Cal. You can just order some. You just hit a button and liqueur comes to your doorstep. Chat lag messes up your timing of your comments. Rich, I'm sorry, man. Yeah, dude, it messes up everyone's right. Oh, the Baldwin brothers, Brandon Washington. Thank you, dude. Oh, whoa! Do you see this? Talk about volatility. Here's the dump. The dump on Litecoin. Wow, tremendous. Back down to the neckline, falling below the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders. Are you kidding? That must be happening around the market. It's not just Litecoin isolation. This very well could be Bitcoin too. Could be selling off right now. Interesting. Very interesting development we just got on some volume. A little bit of volume. Hour and 30 minutes left in the 4-hour candle. Wow. Not what we're looking for. I hope we don't rally here and top out at 39.40. Okay. Non-US hardware. Sounds familiar. Blue Jones? Maybe, dude. Maybe so. Alright, King Logan says 8 Jungian cognitive functions. Spiders have 8 legs and symbolize wealth and power and peace. There are 8 Nidai, or needy, seats of wealth according to Hinduism.
If you take any single digit 1 through 9 and multiply it by 9, the 2 resulting digits will add up to 9. Mind blown.
This is true. Logan Troll, thanks for the 999, and thanks so much for showing kind of possibly the superiority of 9 over 8s. We have not come to a decision yet. But who knows, man? It could be a thing, right? 9 is a greater number than 8, literally, based on numerology. But dude, that's illuminating and almost scared. And here's Litecoin bearishly engulfing, sitting currently at $36, when just about 3 to 4 minutes ago we were sitting at $38.85. What a move down so fast. Wow. Whew. Neckline, rimlock, what neckline, what, dude? Chest line now slugged to the chest. Okay. Welcome to 3K again, Pablo. I guess Bitcoin's done it. Let's go to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin's most likely leading the pack on this one, dude. Well, there you go, dude. No more flag involved. No more. Coming down to maybe back test 38, 33. Well, that didn't. Wow. Okay, we just hit 38.17, man. Okay, episode 288. I wonder how we're going to do on episode 299. I bet 299 wouldn't let this happen, man. Well, there you go. There you go. As we failed 1, 2, 3 times, sold off. So this resistance was so powerful, it seems as though we were done, and we have now back tested the diamond. Because look, man, we ran straight up, right? We never back tested. We went literally, all right, the same amount of time it just spent, or just took us to get from 4,000 to 3824. It was about the same amount of time it took us to get from 3826 to 4,050. Okay, so same amount. We just now crapped out, man. Crapped out. There you have it, man. Okay, so what else has happened? All right, so we're talking about that potential uptrend. 1 and 2 on the bottom. We're out of it, dude. We're out of that channel. So that was not what we were looking for across the markets. We did talk about early in the stream where everything just looked so promising. It could be reversing. Everything could be looking good, and then it's not. All right, so yeah, we dumped hard. DB, man.
Of course 299 wouldn't let it happen. My final argument. 9 is literally greater than 8.
Literally is the word here, man. And there we have Star Wars Worlds.
Warning, 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 guys, BTC will hit 3,100 soon, warning.
Oh my god, warning! Panic, everybody, panic! Star Wars Worlds is letting us know that we are now screwed based on this little dump, and we're dumping still. We're continuing to dump. We've fallen. Excuse me. We have fallen below the diamond trend line, and now we're currently sitting at 38.14. Are you kidding me, man? Well, that just did it, man. Sorry. Your little look, you would think, hey man, we'd be good, but here you have it. Back inside the descending broadening wedge. That's some pretty strong confirmation. Where's the volume? Why's the volume so weak? Look at this, man, going from 59, 58 on the RSI all the way down to 33 in a matter of what? 5 minutes? 5 minutes right here, chat. Okay. Flag gone. No more flag. Just trying to back test the diamond. Falling below it a little bit. Jeez. The Bitcoin bar is S-ing. I've been gaslit. Zachary, man. Crash probably not the best word, right? We're sitting at down 4.5%. Come on, crashes in crypto, 4.5% is like a daily occurrence, isn't it? Dude, like on every coin, it's like, yeah, we're down 5% today. Okay, that's like 0.5% in stocks, right? Fun nights at the TA Lights. B Washington, man. Kangs, dude. I guess inverse Kangs here. PG Beats, what's going on with crypto, man? Dude, we're selling off. We spent too much time up here crapping around at this resistance point, and we failed. Yeah, look, we failed. When you fail in crypto, it's not like grade school where you just get held back. You literally sell off. Okay, when there's no demand, and you keep trying to break above to higher prices and you fail too many times, you would just sell off because you're going to create demand. You're going to try to anyway. Go to Bitcoin. Go to Bitcoin. Okay, King Lewis says 8 equals money, power, balance. The great karmic equalizer. 8 is infinity, time, cycles, life, the atomic number of oxygen. A fib number, 3 plus 5 equals 8. The first number, neither prime nor semi-prime. Number 9, he might have you, dude. He might have you beat on that rebuttal. Just saying. Barding down, side girl, barding down. Star Wars Worlds, guys. Star Wars Worlds says, guys, stop warning. Star Wars Guys World. What's up, Robert A? Masternodes. Do anyone else see how much a 51% costs for 1 hour? No, B Washington. What was it, dude? What was it, dude? God. Holy crap, dude. Sorry, some of the chat is just lit right now. It's kind of funny, dude. Love Star Wars Worlds, dude. T-Rex is still chilling. Are we sure? B Washington test 125, 129, 128 or 9. Still, the verdict is out. It's not out. Would the verdict be out, meaning we know who's superior, 8 or 9, or would it be the verdict is still out, or is to be out? We're still discussing if 8 or 9 is better. I don't know, man. Tron's going down, dude. J Black, everything will be going. Bitcoin goes down like this, everything else is going behind it, right? Should never be a pretty big loss. I'm just gonna tell him, man. Okay, it should just be a meh, whatever, because you knew the opportunity was so high. But again, going from 59 to 33 on the RSI in a 5-minute period on a 4-hour time scale is pretty significant. Okay, it's just showing the rejection to higher prices. Rejection to higher prices. That's it, man. Okay, descending, broadening wedge. You see it here. Thought we were in an uptrend. We had the anchor points for it, and it just is. We've now breached it. Broken. It's a numbers game. This can't do it yet. It's a numbers game. Exactly. Every coin that has a 51% probability, no, 51% possibility is registered on the website. How much it will cost? It's easy to buy enough hash power for most particular coins. B Washington. How much would it cost then, B Washington? How much would it cost to own 51% of? I don't want to be gross, man. How about this LISK, LSK? I don't know, some random S coin, dude. I'm literally picking a random S coin. Or MTL, another big S coin. Do I think Tronconet will shoot up after this Bitcoin dump? Christopher Kent, man, very speculative. I don't know, man. I don't, like, it's just Bitcoin volatility kills altcoins. It kills it. Volatility just came real quick. Just happened. Okay. Guess what, man? Hour and 17 minutes left on the 4-hour candle. All right. So Ethereum down 8% in just a few minutes. Okay, so it looks like that rising wedge played out, right? Do we have the measure move on Ethereum though? Wow. Well, there's your rising wedge, man. Rising wedge measure moves at 131. We got as low as 134, just $3 off that measure move. Wow. Surprised though, right? Thought maybe, you know, I guess the back test, we got a little bit more confirmation of a resistance. Look, you broke out bearishly both MAs, and then you won 2 back tests and failed, and then here's their bearish engulfing candle. Good God, man. Good God. Hey, the volume picked up, man. Dude, we had look, we broke out and there was like no volume on the breakout, which was sketchy, and then it seems now we're out. Eight is on the side. What? 8 on its side is infinity. That is true, Hainsey. That's true. I don't think 999 can talk about that 8 being on the side. Yeah, dude. I don't know. I don't know. Blockchain Bull says, ha ha ha, what and idiot. Well, I don't know who you're talking about, but that sentence doesn't make you sound very smart at all, right? What happened to Crypto at 112 to 120? scared to be Washington, man. I'm going to look this up on my phone. I don't want to get hacked. Okay. Give me a sec, dude. What the heck? Oh, that's cool, man. That's real cool. Alright, let's go to that. So really, this collection of coins and theoretical cost of 51% tack on each network. Holy crap. A 1 hour attack cost, 242,000. Really? That's it? Doesn't cost that much, does it? Wow, holy crap, man. Affordable for all. For a 1 hour attack on these coins, dude. That's nuts, dude. Isn't that crazy, man? Or am I crazy? Digging this song the whole me. Sweet. Tune to sell, yep. Just looking at Ethereum here, why not? Because this one had the clearest path to lower prices, right? Of all of them, Ethereum. Most were just beginning their spring, but Ethereum had been marching and been running since December 18th, 19th, where we broke out of that downswing channel. It's been going for a while, but then, like, you know, all the oscillators, right? What's the bearish divergence on both oscillators, right? MACD and RSI, and really, we finally broke out. But when we broke out, there's no volume. It made me a little skeptical, like, if we're in an uptrend and we have no volume, receding volume on lower prices, it's gonna make you think, and it would freak anybody out, kind of fake anyone out. And I guess we just kept going, and we got right to that area, that bottom trend line at 136, and then just dumped. And wait, not 136, excuse me, 148. Good God, we've just dropped $12 in a matter of probably 10 minutes on Ethereum, dude. It's crazy, man. Very close to measurement. Measurement again, 131. We should do a 51% attack, Anthony. It's not. You don't think it's even against the law? I have no idea if it's against the law or not. No idea, man. Nice, J. Lee. Star Wars World says hell is coming. Wow, Star Wars World. That's deep, dude. It's deep. James Glenn loves when Bitcoin dumps. If Litecoin breaks 35, we're going straight to 30. Yeah, possibility that, hey, here we are, session lows nearly that 4-hour candle on Ethereum. All right, breaking this upswing trend line. Okay, we've broken it, man. So it's smashed. Volume elevated finally, right? Ooh, Litecoin just dumped through the neckline. Get wrecked. Hey, man, it happens. And that is why, ladies and gentlemen, that is why when you get in on that right shoulder, it's smart to move those stop losses up just slightly above the neckline. The neckline. Kool-Aid Kings, what is the answer? Monero, right? Yeah, hey Rick, man, you know, like remember Ethereum, or I think our trade setup, we're talking about $80+ entry again, the double bottom. Haha, XRP is now number 2 on market cap again. Cyan Wolf, awesome, dude. Thanks for the update, man. Crazy. Everyone's freaking out right now. Everyone's freaking out. M. Gordeski says there was a 2,500 Bitcoin Bitfinex move a few hours ago. I guess so, man. I guess so. What's up, Chi? Why dumping? Why? This is by far your favorite live stream. You love the market moving on stream. Yeah, it's nice, man. It's fun. Seldom do we get that opportunity. That's why we try to stay live as long as possible, because there's a lot of just stuff, man. Dominic, depends on where you got in, man. Okay. What happened to Scantama? Could be worse. We're talking about. Dumping harder Renslayer, man. You know, it's dumping. Let's see, man. Let's see. Can we break this 135.49 area? I don't know, man. We're just right around it. Very well could. We got an hour and 8 minutes left on this 4-hour candle. Okay, been live now for, my God, 2 hours and 14 minutes. Feel free to hit that like button, that bell, that sub if you're at least enjoying the coverage of the stream. Okay. And the green screen. Any measure move on Bitcoin, Pablo? Nah, man, there wasn't. I guess we could just measure the wideness of the flag, right? No hard liqueur, but here's a brew for the 8s. All right, let me see what I can do, man. I just only have my phone, dude. Crap. Where'd it go, dude? Where was that posted? RL? Yeah. Wait. No? Where is it? Where'd it go, King Logan? Okay, I see it. It's a PM. Wait, what? Okay, hold on. I don't know if I don't even know if Drink Troll's in here anymore, right? So we have King Logan, right? King Logan. Boom. He's taking a shot. This is the best. This is so ghetto, I know. He's chugged the whole freaking beer right there to show that the 8s are better than the 9s. That's it. That's it, man. It's funny, dude, though, how Ethereum's number 2 again. But they're back and forth, man. They've been going back and forth for a minute now, right? I mean, like, that's like the third or second switch. Third switch, I think they've had. Switch up. Past, like, month. Fear of giving something. Randy Schultz, I don't know what the R stands for. So we aren't Kangs now? Well, we could have been Kangs, but we decided to sell off at the resistance point. Could not break it. Hey, Cobb, Kang, man. Cobb, man. Yeah, dude. Going through technical difficulties with my supercomputer. Evidently, high-end CPUing is not easy because the motherboards are hit or miss. And I got a lemon. And it's a very, very well-known problem, and they're all the same design, like a 1080 Ti, same problem with motherboards. Like they're all the same design and patent with different manufacturerships, and it doesn't matter which one you get, it could be terrible or perfect. Still in bear market, yep, bear market. Who's building a new internet? URBit is building the internet. Wait, Cool Kings, you're literally talking about the show Silicon Valley, though, right? But IRL Silicon Valley, right? Is that how it works? Oh yeah, that's right, Vincent. There is that channel, right? The Upswing channel is very well respected, right? I need a pinner tonight. What's a pinner? Let me go to Urban Dictionary again. Holy crap. Hold on. Urban Dictionary. Pinner. A pinner is a small marijuana cigarette rolled tightly and lacking in marijuana content. Why would one, if one was to do marijuanas, why would they do a marijuanas with that is lacking in marijuana's content? Also, a pinner is marijuana of poor quality, diminutive adjective to express displeasure for an activity, used to describe objects that are small and or poor quality. Dude, I would not ever want a pinner. That guy smells or sells pinner weed. Man, this game is pinner. That's a pinner pencil you've got right there. Well, gee, if pinner is your P, you have a, as they would say, diminutive adjective to express displeasure for an activity, and you also your P, your Johnson is described of small and of poor quality. So I'm sorry, Chi. Let's undelete that. Hold on. How do I undelete a message? Because Chi, ladies and gentlemen. All right, hold on. Watch this. Let me give you a second. And this is hilarious too. Why can it not listen? Oh yeah, this computer doesn't have those settings. Where is it? All right, this is hilarious, dude. Chi is. Oh man, I'm sorry, Chi, but you must be made an example of. Pinner is my penis at 1:55 a.m. Central Time. Here it is. Used to describe objects that are small and or of poor quality. Chi? It seems you've destroyed yourself. I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry. But you must be made an example of, alright? Everyone understand what's going on right now? It's okay, man. It's okay. We still like you, dude, okay? Even though your penis is of poor and small quality. It's all good. Anyway, as Ethereum continues to sell off, it's just kind of sticking around that 135 area. Measured move of the rising wedge pattern was at 130, 139. Okay. Rick Schmitz, well, what I would like one of what, dude? David Alvarez says, at Alex Cobb. Alex Cobb's in the house. Watch your streams every day, dude. Keep up the good work. Alex Cobb, you've got friends in this community, man. All right. We like you, dude. We like you, man. All right, though. I don't know, man. 2 hours, 21 minutes as the market decides to dump, unfortunately. Such a shame. So unfortunate. I don't know, man. It's like 1 a.m. for me, y'all. Who's Michelangelo? Muck ass, man. I can't remain calm. I'm losing my mind. I don't know, dude. Cyan Wolf says, Cop Connect. Nice Joshua Ramsey, man. Dude, target, again, 131 for Joshua Ramsey, man. You want 50. You took 150 on the breakout. It seems right around the breakout, and it's held up. So you should measure it. Something we could do, though, for you, Mr. Ramsey, man. Where is it, dude? What in the world? Let's go to low to high. Okay, all right. Where are we right now? Where are we? Doesn't really make sense anymore. I mean, it does, but it's not relevant to the move down. So, hey, Joshua, from the low, you're clear discernible swing low to your swing high. We just hit a 50% retrace, right? Your 618 just is confluent with the measure move. So again, that's a great area where one could at least move their stop up or move down, I guess, in your situation. The bears have woken up, Saheed, man. Oh my God. Do 1 hour candle. Runeslayer. I mean, I guess we go the 1 hour, 60 minutes. Okay. We have less than an hour left. Oh, yeah. Super gross. Look at the 60 minute. Oh, my God. Ethereum is at 12 on the RSI. When's the last time we were at 12 on the RSI? November 14th. We were at, my God, we ran all the way down to 5.7 on the 60 minute. Holy crap, man. All right, so it's been a minute. It's been a few months since we've been at 12 on the RSI. Down here. That's when we did this big move right here. It's the last time. This is the big. Oh, remember the slanted head and shoulders. Oh yeah, easy short of our lives. Hit target and just kept running. All right, 5.7 on the RSI. Here we are now. Here we are, and it's just that quick. We have dumped and broken the trend, and that's it, man. See you at 1:30. I don't know why we wouldn't get there. Good God, man. Falling below the 50% retrace, and the measure move of the rising wedge pattern is down there at the golden retrace. I'm your new friend, David, man. Thanks to Cobb leading me to your way. Awesome streams. You help easy going. Oh, thanks, man, Daniel, man. I really appreciate that, man. Thanks for the kind words. I'm glad you're part of the community now. The community, the Cobb community, the Ray community, man. Doesn't matter, man. Kangs, either way, Quains, depending on your sex. You know, your male, female. Doesn't matter. More cowbell, dude. Good God, man. Okay, crap. So it's 2 a.m. Eastern, y'all. 2 a.m. Eastern while the crypto market sells off. The volume on the 60 minute is clearly way above average, right? Last time we saw volume this high was December 24th. On this big move up, now the big move down. So modified Mobby, man. You haven't been tuning in, dude. It's okay, man. Dude, I'm sure you have a life. Oh man, you're not tuning into my stream, and you have a life. Well, you're not tuning my stream. I'm upset, man. I'm pissed. Kappa, right? I mean, I get it, man. Life happens. I just sometimes, it's like. It's like an extended amount of time. We're talking about like 3 months where you don't hear from somebody and you're like, dang, dude, what happened there? Like you're around, not about Mafia, Work now, pleasure later. Tremont, man, come on, dude. What is 2 hours and 26 minutes tonight? And then like 2 hours, like pretty much 2 hours today, right? Day stream. What's up, Tim C? Is it possible for Bitcoin to shoot up as fast as it goes down? Well, we just literally looked at that. We literally just looked at that. And yes, we'll show you. Right, dude, the same way we shot up, we shot down, right? So yes, of course, it's very, like, dude, your question that you just asked was just answered by looking left back to January 6th, man. Up, sideways, down. Okay, falling below the bottom trend line now of the diamond that we'd broken out of. Holy crap. Special dump edition. That's right, Randy, man. Well, we didn't really know. We didn't really know what we were going to do because we did emphasize that we were not outside. We had not broken out yet. But man, we looked kind of poised for it, did we not? We bull flag of some sort, but just I guess enough failures at this resistance. I just said, okay, no, man, we need to create demand because there is none here. It's over, sold off, right? Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Oh, here we are, dude. Here we are, back down to 37.98, dude. Sucks. Some crypto cotter, man. Well, James Glenn, congratulations, man. Very, very good, dude. Very good. Winter's coming, big bonanza. Oh, bonanza, dude. Bitcoin doing things, Mr. Hamdy, dude. What's up, dude? You love my shirt shimmers and flickers with the green screen. It's kind of mesmerizing. Sign what was I supposed to do? Does that help make it shimmer, baby? Holy crap, dude. Targets for Tron Connect retrace probably back down to the. Remember we literally talked about it. We said Tron's gonna hit the top of the channel. Could hit the top of the channel, right? Yeah, right here. We did it. We did it, man. Come on. We literally hit it. We said we backtest the top of the channel. I didn't even know we had already done that. Good God. Fell as low as 2.8 cents, but we got as high as 3.5 cents, man. The percentage change. Dude, we were at plus 24% at one time on Tron. We are now at only plus 4%. Crypto, baby. Crypto. Holy crap. All right. But no, dude, like, that was it. This was the back test we were looking for. I don't know, man. Chances are, on our big red candle like that, on high volume, you're probably not done selling. Probably not. Lee Quick, there you go, dude. There you go. When is God supposed to keep back up, Joshua? I think it's they're gonna go for May. Hold on. Let's check this out. I think they've already announced an official date, so. April of 2019. That's it, dude. April. So there you go. I'll be looking forward to it, man. You bet. Hey, dude. I'm sorry. This stream might be a spoiler alert on every description because we're probably going to discuss every Game of Thrones episode every week, right? So. About time though, right? Holy crap. What do you got, man? We got the retrace, the back test of the channel that we broke out of, which we were hoping we wouldn't break out of, but maybe we'd sell off, hit the hard line, run up again, maybe run down here, then break the methodical marches are always your best friends, but sometimes you don't get them. And clearly we got too high, too fast. Icarus, wax wings melted near the sun, the 382, and sold off, right? Oh, Vincent, man. Well, the thing is, though, the problem is, right, this is extreme, man, right here. This is super extreme. If you were long here and you were still in this, you're good chance, like, your stops probably should have triggered on most of your position, all right, because the neckline was the first profit-taking level. Just in case something like this happened, just in case. Perfect example of why there are first targets and there are secondary targets. Okay, so we're just right down to that stop. My God, man, what have you? Oh, actually, I've not been stopped out yet on the secondary trade. Okay, so secondary trade, 34.93. We just fell below the 200 MA on the 60 minutes to the 4 hour. Good Lord, man, right? Just can't keep it together. We didn't even go for the head and shoulders, did we? We just said nope, selling off. The dumpening with decent amounts of volume, huge spike in negative momentum. We have not seen this much since December 25th, since Christmas. when we sold off here. All right, but yeah, the thing to take from this is, look, man, we have the upsloping channel, anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 on the bottom, just 1 on the top. And let's see if, we'll get stopped out if this kind of trade set up here, but we'll see what would happen at 33.40. There might be a low risk area here because of the channel, the upsloping channel we're in. All right. Okay. TRX doing things still, Lee Quick. What's up, Stuart H, dude? Charity, man. No moon, Millum. No moon indeed. Well, we couldn't break the resistance, man, of the descending bright white. We just said, nope, time to sell, right? What, Julia? Oh my God, are we live? Yeah, not much longer, Julia. I've been live. 2 hours and 30 minutes now on a Wednesday, now Thursday. Okay, so I'm very tired, Julia. And I've gone through a lot of crap today. A lot of disappointment with my PC and stuff. I'm on a green screen, and I just catch you up. Found out that any kind of motherboard that supports TR4 second generation Threadrippers, there are half of them are lemons. So you spend a bunch of money to get them, and then you find out they don't work, then you just send them back. And you get a new one, and I'm working on getting the new one. It'll be here on Friday. We're going to see if it works. If it doesn't, okay, man, here we go again. Right? So, piloting through the S-Storm. I guess so, Stuart, maybe you call it that. S-Storm, part and parcel of crypto and trading. These big red candles, big green candles, right? Just as fast as we ran up on Litecoin from the 6th of January all the way up to the 6th of January. We have sold off from the 10th of January to the 10th of January. Okay, ups, downs, they happen. All right, so that's it. We learned a lot, though. We learned a lot about the Urban Dictionary, about what words mean. We learned what BZ means, that it's a low-key, less misogynistic word for the word B, the B word. What else did we learn? On my jock. We learned about what on my jock meant. We learned what a pinner was, and it's cheese jock. Cheese jock is a pinner. Holy crap, man. We just constructed an Urban Dictionary sentence. In our community, cheese jock is a pinner. Remember, and the jock is, and the pinner is used to describe objects that are small and or of poor quality. Interesting, man. Crazy. We just learned too much in here. Okay. Why did I have first and secondary targets? Why? Because if your trade fails, which it did but didn't, look, man, our entry, what the heck, Captain Cooked, our entry was down at this, you see this little blue, this was the buy-in zone, the optimum buy-in zone. It hit 618 retrace from a low to high, and we have run. We went from that $27 mark all the way up to a high of $41, about 30% gains, dude. 30% gains. All right, but even if we just sold here at 37, we'd be up 25%, 25% returns. Okay, that was the first target on our trade setup. And this is specifically why those exist, because anything can happen after they break the neckline. You back tested. We said, hey, man, there's a secondary trade setup. When we were up here, we sold off, hit that entry, and ran up, but we could not sustain price. Hey, dude, look, you can't say on stream we did not bring up the bearish divergence from the high to the higher high. Dude, extremely bad Class A bearish divergence on both oscillators, high on price, higher high on price, extremely lower levels of relative strength, and positive momentum. Okay, so impending price action reversal was upon you. It's not like the TA lied to you. It did not lie. It told you, and that's why these lines are drawn. on these oscillators, dude. Give me a break, man. All right. Cheese Pinner Jock coin, Rick Schmitz. Exactly, dude. That's my favorite coin of all time, dude. On your jock, yes, but fairy, jock means something else. On your jock means they're bothering you. It's the nomenclature of the phrase, but the actual terminology was what is your jock indeed, right? Hey, Bill Sinchera, man, mate. Yeah, on your jock, so get off my back. But again, a jock is something. Sweet Mellow, man. Glad you found, man. So he donated money from his tips, and I was on his jock about it. Not necessarily, Fairy. It was all in good fun, dude. So, but I don't know. I've been here almost a year. How long have you been here, Fairy, man? So I know these people. These are good peoples. So, but on that note, as we fall below the 50 moving average on Litecoin, we'll see how we respond again to $33. Not too, I guess we're not too far off, man. Not too far off that bottom trend line of the, I tipped you from my tips, now you own my jock in a joking way. Yeah, in a joking way, exactly, a joking way. That's the biggest thing to take from it. We were doing that because Vet Moon Boy showed up, and you know, things happen when Vet Moon Boy shows up, and then earlier, B. Washington was just joking about tip wars and stuff. And we were making jokes more about the tip wars and stuff. So that's it. So 33.24. Let's see the response of this coin if we can get to this level. Okay. All right, man. All right. That's it. This sucks, man, because I don't have like any thanks for watching screen. I don't really have anything, dude. I don't have like most stuff is just not on this PC yet. Okay, so sucks, dude. So all I can do is like turn the music up and sit here for a second and be like, I can do it like this, right? I can be like, thought you shall not pass. Or something, right? I don't know what I can even do. Vet Moon Boy is on Judge Nathan's jock. Yeah, King Logan, that's true, man. Very, very true. Ladies and gentlemen, take a deep breath, relax, sit back, enjoy this chart, enjoy the sell-off with the bearish divergence on Litecoin, and Bitcoin's inability to break above that downsloping resistance on the descending broadening wedge pattern. Okay, so man, I know, Julia. It's weird. It's really weird. It's temporary. Okay, but I'll be back tomorrow. I love you. Thanks so much for the likes, the love, the contributions, the dislikes, the hate, everything. Okay, because everything that everyone does makes this show what it is. So I'll be back tomorrow. So until next time, respect the T. Hey.